In front of me is UMIDIGI F2, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System, and here, as you can see, you do not have open developer options, so at first you have to unlock them. To do it, just go to About Phone, find and select build number, tap on it 7 times, and now as you can see, you are a developer. So let's go back to System. And now you will be able to find here developer options. Just click on it to activate. Now locate demo mode. It should be somewhere here. Right here, just click on it, and to enable it, just mark this switcher. And that's it, you've just activated demo mode. If you would like to show it, tap here, and now it is done. Then whenever you'd like to deactivate demo mode, just tap on the switcher and it is no longer active. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.